Welcome, number enthusiasts! Today we're delving into the intriguing world of multiplication by 9. This number holds a special mystique and surprises in its patterns. Let's go! Well, 1 times 9 equals 9. 2 times 9 equals 18. 3 times 9 equals 27. 4 times 9 equals 36. 5 times 9 equals 45. 6 times 9 equals 54. 7 times 9 equals 63. 8 times 9 equals 72. 9 times 9 equals 81. 10 times 9 equals 90. 11 times 9 equals 99. 12 times 9 equals 108. And now, let's test your knowledge. 4 times 9 equals 36. 7 times 9 equals
63.
9 times 9 equals 81. If you enjoyed this educational video, then please like, share, and subscribe. See you soon.